Let's see if the CRV could do donuts. Alright. Traction control off. Woo! Rear-wheel drive! Woo! Woo! K24, baby! Woo! Oh, watch the curve, nigga. Watch the curve. Watch both curves. Back kicking out. Alright. Alright. Now I'm scared. Chill, chill, chill. Yo, Jet's gonna kill us. Woo! Alright, alright, alright. Oh my god! Kick it now. Oh man, there's a car. Alright, alright. Whoa. That was fun.